Okay, are we back on?
Yeah.
Okay, so the homework grades averaged, that goes here. Quiz grades averaged together, that goes here. Test grades averaged together, that goes here. Then we calculate the weighted average. So the formula for calculating the average is the following. Your grade in the class, you're going to want to write this down, equals, the grade in the class equals the homework average times 0.2, because homework is 20% of the total. So that gets a weight of 0.2, plus the quiz average times 0.35, plus the quiz average times 0.35, plus the test average times 0.45. The test times 0.45. That will give you some number that will be your grade in this class. Let me stop and see if there are questions on the formula. So we're doing a weighted average here. See, if we were doing just a regular average, we just do homework plus quiz plus test divided by 3. We're not doing that. We're doing homework times 0.2 plus quiz times 0.35 plus test times 0.45. And really, we are actually dividing by 1. You don't need to write this in because dividing by 1 it doesn't change the number. And why is it 1? Because 0.2 plus 0.35 plus 0.45 equals 1. Okay, let me stop here and see if there are questions. Okay, yeah. Lucia?
So if there's if you for some reason you give us quizzes for entire 6 weeks, how would that plug in with that?
Great. That's actually a very good question I forgot to address. So at the beginning of A3, right, there will be no tests yet. Right? On day 3 of the third 6 weeks, we wouldn't have had a test. So how would you do this? Then you would say, well, this doesn't really exist. So I just do homework times 0.2 plus quiz times 0.35 divided not by 1, but by 0.55. Because that is this plus this. So maybe we should write that in. So you may want to write that over a separate sheet. So if a section has not been included, and by section I mean HW, quiz, test, not been included, then do not divide by 1. Instead, by the included, or by the sum of the weight of the included sections. Sum of the weight, I'll move aside in 1 second, of the included section. So if a section, if we don't have the tests in here, for example, we would just say homework average times 0.2 plus quiz times 0.35 divided by the sum of the weight. Well, the weight is 0.2 plus 0.35, 0.55. It's a great question, Lucia. Okay, let me stop here and let's turn the page. So let's stop the video. Yeah, we'll turn the page.